Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and I'm a dental student. So today is the first day back at uni after a long time of being away. It's been 6 months since we last did hands-on dentistry, which is just crazy to think about. But we're back. We're back and we better. I feel like I'm ready. It was time for us to go back because just staying at home was getting a bit boring and I just kind of missed everything about being at uni. I saw a tweet that said the student in me died in March and I felt that so much. And so just coming back to uni, I feel like I'm just trying to pick up the pieces again, arranging my room a little bit, arranging my lectures from last year, and just make sure that I'm in the right mind frame to start this year with a bang. I thought I'd pick up the camera to vlog because it's my first week and just to show you guys what I'm up to as a dental student. So I'm gonna have a look at my timetable to see what I've got for the day, but before that I'm gonna put this camera down because it is heavy. So for my 9 AM, I've got clinics this morning, but I don't think it's going to be actual clinics. Usually we treat patients in these sessions, but I don't think we're going to be treating patients today because we've been away for so long. Like, we need a refresher. So I think this might be practicing our clinical skills on the phantom heads first, or just like getting used to things that are on clinics again. So a bit like an induction. After clinics, I've got a short break and then I've got a lecture. So that's my first lecture of the year. After that lecture, I've got a basic life support e-lecture that lasts for 2 hours, and that's it for the day. I've already had my morning routine, so I just need to get some breakfast and some coffee and we're good to go. So as I'm eating my breakfast, I'm also looking at the clock. I know the time says after 9 and it looks like I'm going to be late, but no, I'm not going to be late on my first day. My uni's given us time slots to come into uni because, as you can imagine, everyone coming in for their 9 AM session at exactly 9 AM, yeah, it would be hard to maintain social distancing. So I have to be in for the morning clinics, but I can go in later than 9. I'm putting my scrubs and other essentials together. I already ironed them last night and now I have to fold them up to put in my bag. So they're probably gonna be crinkled up by the time I get to uni, but it can't be helped. I'm putting my mask on now and it's time for me to head out the door. As soon as I walked into uni, I got given a pack of masks. We have to wear these at all times when we are in the building. I couldn't film much of the clinical things that we did today because I had to be fully involved with the session, but we basically had to practice disinfecting the dental unit so that it's safe for the patients that we treat. The process is much longer now because rather than wiping it down once like we usually do, we now have to wipe it down twice. And then we got assessed afterwards. So we're going to be having these assessments over the next couple of weeks, so I have that to look forward to. So this is me after clinics and I'm walking over to Tesco to get some lunch because I am hungry. The time is around 12:45, so later than I thought I would finish, and that's because it took time for everyone in my group to be assessed. And guys, can you see how much I'm breathing through the mask? I'm breathing so heavily after walking such a short distance. So unfit. Wow, I need to hit the gym. Actually, wait, that's too much commitment. I might hit the gym, okay? I might. I finally arrived at Tesco and I'm gonna get a meal deal. If you know about Tesco meal deals, you know how amazing they are. And they've saved me on so many occasions. Okay, let's see if I'm gonna make healthy decisions. So I got a smoothie. Okay, we're off to a good start. This smoothie is actually really nice. And then I got some popcorn. These are the best. I either always go for this sweet and salty flavor or the peanut butter ones. And then I got a wrap.
A few moments later.
So I just got back from outside and we actually finished quite late. I already told you guys all of this, so I'm gonna speed it up to here. So I'm gonna have my lunch because I didn't get to have it before, and whilst I'm having my lunch I'm gonna try and find this lecture that is supposed to be starting at 1:30 so I can join. And this is the beauty about having online lectures, because you know, you can eat and watch the lecture at the same time. I mean, who doesn't like that? So this is where I'm trying to look for the lecture that we were supposed to have today, and I couldn't find it. I can't find the lecture for today. It's kind of strange because usually they would send us a link or something. How am I already facing technological roadblocks at the beginning of the term? How? I couldn't find this lecture, so I just gave up trying to find it and decided to take a proper break and watch some YouTube videos whilst I ate my lunch. Watching this back, I'm a bit concerned by how unbothered I am, but later on in the day we got an email to say that it was actually recorded and so we could watch it at another time, and so I did that later on in the week. So after lunch I start the Basic Life Support online lecture. We do this every year, so it's useful to have that reminder. So I'm going to make some very brief notes on this because there is another assessment that I have to do after this online learning. It's the first day back and we're already doing assessments. This is my second one for the day. So I have to get 100% on it to pass, but it was a really chill test and it's one of those tests where you can do as many times as you need to pass, and thankfully I passed, so later on in the week I could go and do my practical for Basic Life Support. I don't know if it's going to make an interesting vlog, but today was just an introduction to uni, you know, just getting back into the swing of things and getting used to a new routine after being away for so long. It was nice to have that refresher. So after finishing the Basic Life Support session, I was pretty much done for the day, but I decided to keep the momentum going and do a bit of revision. I was forgetting so much over quarantine, so towards the end I started making some brief notes in this book for gaps in my knowledge, and it's been really useful. So I worked on this for about an hour and then I called it a day. So that was a day in my life as a dental student, the first day back. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and I will catch you guys later.